All right, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. So as you can tell by the title of this video, we are going to be putting the KLX Pro Taper handlebars on the Honda Grom, along with some new grips. Of course, I had to get black and yellow to match the bike as well. So let's go ahead and get started taking some of this crap off factory bars. Okay, so just to get you guys caught up, you got two 8mm over here to take off the bright switch, the horn. Would you have two 8mm too?
2 8mm take off the brake, booster, and then 2 Phillips head just take off the throttle.
Yep, and then you have little caps that sit here. Pop those off, and then Allen keys here, and then we'll be one step closer to removing the old factory handlebars. Sorry about the frogs in the background. All right, so just to get you guys caught up, we've got the handlebars on the Grom, as you can see here, but we have got to sand down some of this stuff on the handlebar, because the throttle, when you put this casing onto this casing and you screw it down, the throttle just like sticks like wide open. So we've got to, I'm gonna go back to Connor's tonight. We've got another video to film over there on his Vanelli. We're gonna sandpaper some of this stuff down. Hopefully it smooths out the throttle, but I mean, everything works as it should. And we're gonna move these handlebars back a little bit, because I don't like the way you have to like reach over here and almost touch this screen here. So, but yeah, everything, as long as this piece isn't on, everything kicks and folds back like it should. So take some sandpaper to that and move these handlebars back, and she'll be good to go. Got to get everything ready for, I guess you'd call it barber small bore prep. See right there, June 9th, 10th, 11th, we're going to be out there. Whole squad's coming. I think we're bringing 5 bikes, and couldn't be more excited about it. So we're going to get all this stuff fixed, and then I'll show you guys the final product. Okay, so as you guys can see, Connor and I have got the KLX DRZ 110 bars on. So one of the things that I want to note, Connor and I did have to sand the bar down a little bit. You can actually kind of see it just a little bit in there, but we're covering it up with this bar end mirror. We had to sand the bar down a little bit because the tube itself wasn't, retracting like it should, and we screwed this handle piece up a little bit, so the cable, the push and pull cable on this is not super tight. And I guess this is kind of like the first look of how we're going to try to figure out the mayhem on packing the RV. We got Connor's ruck, his Vanelli, my Grom. We're missing the monkey, and we're also missing one other ruckus. And yeah, so it's going to be kind of we're going to make it work. But the handlebars are done. Big thanks to Connor, and then thanks to mnnthbx for supplying the bars and the Domino grips. I think the black and yellow grips look good against the black and yellow bike. So that's going to do it for today's video. This will be the last video that comes out before Barber Small Bore. So we hope to see you all down there this coming weekend, June 9th, 10th, 11th. And yeah, we'll catch you all in the next video. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications. Leave this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys at Barber Small Bore.